Tuguskabosio mwanchu morigeria ensi ya Kenya nigegendrete kubeka hemiroberio yo gwetanga Korwa Ase Oborwaire Bwa Ebola wetera ase iwizara yobochenu omubisomo na ase wizara yo mirimo thoni kagukwana ase ekaunti ya Busia ikobona nyarikoba kagotebe serikali yabikire miroberio yokoenekia BUNA nechikonyarikoba ikobeka emiroberio yokoringoria ababire bonsi bari bagosoa ensi ya Kenya wetera ase omubago yora ensi ya Kenya neri ya Uganda satebire abarwaria Korwa Ase serikali enene ne serikali ya county niko banyorere amaigerio aisaine kwana kiango ikirania bare ebikore buse kwikirana bare miroberio yokobabwenia abana inchase bonatebire gwikira boniga nigo bono abantu 50 na kianda banyare koba bakorengwa unenchire moyo gochia kwenekia busembare noboriro bwa Ebola.
As at today, we have 59 suspected cases that we have taken their samples to the lab, and none of them is positive. All of them are negative. And we are praying that in Kenya, we will not have any positive case. We were at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. We identified the gaps that were there and we have been able to fix them. We have now come to Malaba, and Malaba is a very, very important border. Now that we are actually bordering Uganda, and Uganda, they already have confirmed cases. This border point, we have about 1,500 to 2,000 through here on a daily basis. If you look at the inbound trucks that come through, we have about 300 of them on a daily basis. So it's a very, very busy border. And because of proximity to Uganda, we are very keen that we are at high risk. From the national government coming all to the county government, we have been able to enhance our surveillance. So our surveillance teams are working day and night to ensure that we can pick on spots or areas for response. We have also been able to strengthen our laboratory. You have heard and we have said again and again, we have KEMRI Nairobi, KEMRI Kisumu. We have our national public health laboratories. We have a mobile laboratory that is able to test the sample has Ebola pathogens. Equally, we are a laboratory that is able to test and see whether the sample has Ebola pathogens. Equally, we are having ongoing trainings for health